So, good evening, my dear friend. Today I got a very balancing point called high expectations. And no way I deny ki the person have no any right or privileges to think about high expectation. Even though everyone have that authority or that right or as well as that privileges to keep a high practice, a high expectation about the life. Or definitely, my dear friend, if you want to be something, if you want to achieve something, or if you want to be succeed in your life, so definitely you have make some high expectation of your life, and you always keep yourself in that rotating mood. I mean that learning mood or that processing mood. Yeah, I have that high expectation to achieve something, and I am going to achieve that thing, right? But what do you think about behavior? Behavior is an important part of life, or your behavior will determine your achievement. Your behavior will determine your expectation. If your behavior or if your action is just similar to your expectation, so definitely you are going to achieve that whatever. And which kind of expectation you have behalf of your life, behalf of or your organization, or behalf of those those things, where are you associate or where are you involved? If you have a high expectation by that organization, or if you are going to do your best, if you are putting to your extra effort, if you are in the belief that your hard work have that power of that authority, or have that you can select that experiences authority to take you toward of that direction where you have some high expectation, or you want to get that, you want to achieve that, or you want to be succeed. Think about that. I have an expectation by you ki I will get support by you, I will get like by you, I will get subscribe by you. But before that, I have that my responsibility to add some value in the front of you. I have to upload that kind of material or that kind of videos, through my YouTube channel, through my YouTube channel, you will get some benefit. So think about that. High expectation is always good. No way I deny the importance of high expectation. High expectation should be the part of every human being life. But ultimately or initially the thing came to notice ki your behavior is like that or not. I want to become fluent or confident speaker. I want to get good job. I want to get financial stability in my life. Again, I'm saying like that everyone have that right or privileges, that life authority to think about that, to think about become success, to think about to become the part of government department of India, to think about being the part of government department of Uttarakhand, whatever. Basically, I'm belong to Uttarakhand. That's why I'm taking the name of Uttarakhand. Which state are you belong to? You have that authority to being the part of that, state government organization. That is your expectation. This is completely opposite thing. This is completely thing. But your behavior should be similar to your expectation or not. This is very important thing. If you want to become a government employee, if you want to crack examination, if you want to get recommendation while appearing that examination, so first of all, you have to follow some procedure. You have to follow some rule or regulation. You have to do hard work. You have to gather new kind of information, which is the thing is happening in your around area. You have to make yourself always aware with those things, which is the thing is occurring in your surround. You have to make yourself in always updating mood. I'm not going to left any stone. What is the information? What is the knowledge? Which kind of content? Which kind of material I have to adopt to brushing my knowledge, to excel my knowledge, to enhance my knowledge, or as well as to enhance my experiences. Where I'm going to get that or not, I'm going to do that or not. Or if you will keep yourself is always operating mood, so definitely who can stop you to achieving that target, yaar? Who can who can stop you to go close to your high expectation? Because your expectation is here, but your behavior or action is also close to your expectation. Or in this way, I can say you can get everything. Think about that, my dear friend. Think about that. Believe hard work, believe procedure, believe persistence effort, believe dedication or discipline. Your which kind of expectation you have, on behalf of your life. Every expectation will be fulfillment. There is no barrier, there is no hurdle will trying to stop your step to taking toward of that direction where you have high expectation on behalf of your life. So think about that and have a good day, or keep motivate yourself. Don't try to get any advice by someone. Yeah, you know yourself better than I know you. Okay, so think about that.